This is a parallelogram apparatus. It has two pulleys, one Z pulley, and these are two clips which are for hanging on the wall. This one clip and second clip. We can put the pulley by opening the screws, and then it can be fitted on the back side. And then there is a thread. You can hang the thread. Now you can see I'm hanging just using 4 weights in this and 4 weights in this. So although the weight comes with the 5 weights, the 2 weights which are remaining extra have been put in the center one. So the balancing, and you put the paper on the board and this graph can be drawn. It comes in 2 sizes, 12 into 18, and this particular model has been made especially for one institution for 50 centimeter into 65 centimeter. It's a bigger one. This is a parallelogram apparatus. You use your thread or any string can be used. Please visit the website Abron Exports and send us an email on abron01@gmail.com, and you can send us a message also WhatsApp and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Visit the website. Thank you.